In just hours, the man charged with killing Marion County Deputy John Durm will make his first court appearance in that case.
Tonight, prosecutors are preparing to seek the death penalty against Orlando Mitchell. It is one of several developments just announced by the prosecutor's office. Mitchell tonight now charged with murder, robbery, and escape. A special judge is in place. Mitchell will appear tomorrow in a Marion County courtroom before Hendricks County Judge Mark Smith. And a judge has now approved transferring Mitchell to the Department of Correction.
Tonight, our Logan Gay has been combing through these newly released court documents.
The Marion County prosecutor, Ryan Mears, says they didn't make the decision to pursue the death penalty lightly, but given the circumstances, they believe it's the right thing to do. During a press conference Thursday, Marion County prosecutor Ryan Mears says there are 4 statutory aggravators that make Orlando Mitchell eligible for the death penalty.
The defendant committed the murder of the deputy at the time. The defendant was in the custody of the Marion County Sheriff, which is one statutory aggravator. The second statutory aggravator is the defendant killed a law enforcement officer as they were acting in the course of their duties. The third aggravator is the defendant committed the murder by intentionally killing the officer while he was committing the crime of robbery. And the fourth and final aggravator is the defendant has previously committed a murder at the time of this murder.
Investigators say the attack happened in the inmate intake area on the community justice campus after Deputy John Durm picked up Mitchell from a hospital visit. Officials say surveillance video shows Mitchell attacking Durm from behind, choking the deputy with a chain from his handcuffs. Documents say Mitchell's handcuffs were connected to his belly chain, but the belly chain was no longer around his waist. Police tell us Mitchell used a key to free himself from his handcuffs and took off with the transport van. He later crashed it into a light pole just outside the community justice campus.
He has no business, if convicted, to ever step foot out of a jail cell again. And our commitment to you, Mr. Prosecutor, is that the IMPD will do everything that we can to assist you and your deputies to make sure that we get a conviction in all 3 of these incidents.
The Marion County Sheriff says they are investigating whether there is anything they could have done better.
With only one deputy, is there times that we do more with less staff than we do and people make tough decisions? Yeah, probably.
They hope these changes send a message to anyone else who might consider harming a law enforcement officer.
It needs to be known that in this community, if you kill a law enforcement officer, you should be willing to sacrifice your life. It's on the books for a reason.
Prosecutor Ryan Mears tells us seeking the death penalty can extend the time period of this case, and he expects it to be a lengthy process. In the newsroom, Logan Gay, 13 News.
Now this weekend, services will begin for Deputy John Durm. A public viewing takes place Sunday at the Scottish Rite Cathedral. People can pay their final respects to Deputy Durm from 2 until 7 p.m. The funeral then is 11 o'clock on Monday morning at Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Deputy Durm will then be laid to rest at Crown Hill Cemetery. We've got all of this information posted for you right now online. You can also find ways to support the deputy's family. That's also on WTHR.com.